Every year on 31st October, the nation pauses to observe National Unity Day, a tribute marking the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, often hailed as the Iron Man of India, a stalwart of India's freedom movement and a central figure in shaping the newly independent nation. Patel spearheaded the integration of more than 560 princely states into the Indian Union. His single-minded vision of a united and strong India led the foundations of the country's administrative and political architecture. Sardar Patel was central to the political integration of India after independence, successfully persuading more than 560 princely states to accede into the Union and thus shaping India's territorial integrity. He stressed that the newly independent nation needed a strong administrative mechanism, what he famously called the steel frame of India, in the form of all India services and a robust civil service infrastructure. His vision was not merely political unity, but also a functional one, a nation where each part contributes to and benefits from collective progress. Today, India commemorates Rashtriya Ekta Divas on 31st October to honor Patel's legacy. The current government and institutions regularly reaffirm their commitment to a united, strong and self-reliant India, echoing Patel's own words. However, the challenge lies in balancing regional and cultural diversity with national integration, something Patel emphasized when he stated unity is not about homogeneity but about shared purpose. Infrastructure projects such as the Statue of Unity in Gujarat highlight how his legacy is being interpreted today as a symbol of unity, tourism and regional development. At the same time, critics point to rising regional aspirations, language politics and administrative challenges as areas where the vision of integration needs continuous reinforcement. By comparing Sardar Patel's foundational ideas with contemporary India's efforts, the story highlights how unity remains both an achievement and a continuous national responsibility. This message resonated today at Ekta Nagar in Gujarat, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi witnessed the Rashtriya Ekta Divas parade and paid tribute to Sardar Patel's monumental role in nation building. The ceremony underscored India's ongoing commitment to strengthening national unity, echoing Patel's vision of a secure, cohesive and inclusive nation.